Are you tired of PUBG Mobile on PC through Taptap glitching out? Because today, we're diving headfirst into fixing those frustrating problems. Step 1. Let's tackle the most common culprit, the app itself. First, make sure your Taptap app and the PUBG Mobile game are completely closed. Then, right-click the Taptap icon on your desktop or in your system tray and select Run as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to work correctly. Step 2. Graphics settings. If the game is laggy or crashing, open the Taptap app and start PUBG Mobile, then navigate to the settings menu within the game. Try lowering the graphics settings, such as resolution and frame rate. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance between performance and visual quality. Step 3. Let's troubleshoot your internet. A weak connection can heavily impact gameplay. Close background applications that use the internet, like streaming apps or download managers. Try changing your internet connection. Maybe switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for a more stable experience. Step 4. Game and Taptap reinstall. If all the above troubleshooting has not resolved the issue, uninstall both Taptap and PUBG Mobile. Restarting the PC, download the latest versions from Taptap, followed by installing the game once again. That concludes this quick guide to fix PUBG Mobile Taptap problems. Play smoothly.